What's up you guys, it's Kenneth and welcome to my channel. Normally I do travel videos, but this time around, because we are staying at home, I thought of sharing with you guys a DIY tutorial of how to create your own leather coin purse. So this is one of the items that we are selling in our online shop. Ayan o, actually, ito yung website. So, check nyo yan. Website, make sure yung website namin. Because whenever I travel, I have a lot of coins na doesn't really fit in my wallet. So, I thought of creating a separate type of coin purse para lagyan ng, well, of course, coins. I designed a coin purse from some of the leather scraps that I got. So, after that, a lot of people are asking me if I'm selling them. So right now it's part of our collection in the website. So hopefully you can check it out. There's no special technique in doing this coin purse. So very simple. We'll skip some of the very technical stuff. Kailangan nyo lang ng skill of pagtatahi. So definitely there's a room for trial and error. So kung may naisip kayo mas madaling process, you can do that. Basically what I'm going to show you is the principle of how you can create your own coin purse from scratch. So there are guys, let's do it. Here are the tools and materials that you're going to use. Well guys, feel free to use other materials that you can find at home which you think will be helpful in creating your leather coin purse. As you can see, I also put some in the list as optional. Alright guys, so for the first step, we are going to trace a pattern on the leather and then cut it using a cutter and a steel rule. Just be careful because you can get easily injured in this process. Alright guys, although you can create your own size, I'm sharing you the pattern with dimensions here. The next step is putting holes on the leather, and to do the job I am using a pricking iron. You can get it from leather shops and you can also buy it online. To protect my table I use a bench block, but this one is optional. Use a hammer to prick some holes in the leather, and you can also use a rubber mallet, but I find it easier to use a construction type of hammer to do the trick. This is an optional step, but if you have a branding logo, better put it before you stitch the leather together. I have mine, so I thought of just putting it there. Before anything else, hope you guys can subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of travel videos, and right now I'm including some DIYs as well, and also soon I'll be having some interior styling videos. So let's go back working. This step needs a bit of a technique. So if you are stitching leathers, normally most people use a saddle type of stitching. But in this case, because we are doing a DIY style stitching, we are going to use running stitches back and forth. When you go to the end, what you will do is tie it around and then go back and create another running stitch. And this will create an illusion of a saddle type stitching. As a bonus detail, what we'll do is the flap of the internal sleeve is we'll do a bit of a chamfer at the corner. So what we'll just do is use a cutter and then create an angle when you cut the corners. For our lock, we are using a button rivet. I like using this one because it adds aesthetic to the coin purse. So by using a puncher, just create a hole on the flap. Mark the point where it will meet the body of the coin purse. In creating the hole, I just poke it with an awl and then make the hole bigger using a scissors. And we are almost done, guys. Alright guys, that's it, and hope you guys learn something and also you get inspired to do your own crafts. So, ito siya. Yan. O, diba? Ganda naman, diba? So, it's easy and simple. So, anyone can actually do this. We're done for now. That's our first DIY tutorial. So, definitely, there will be more videos coming up very soon. Sana subaybayan nyo. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and also in my Instagram. So follow at Surat Journals and also Ken at Surat. So see you guys. Thank you.